Okay, well, shall we talk about this? You know, it's the level of sophistication of the cultural forms in you know, that you've talked about already is incredible. I think it's what I would call quite an advanced level of sophistication. You know, of cultural imagery and symbolism and richness so on, and richness as well. Perhaps you can just talk a little bit about this.
Just looking at this, anybody from western part of Africa will tell you this is from northern Nigeria, and you ask why. How did you just guess right? Because you can see in the northern part of Nigeria, they are predominantly Muslims, and the signs for their mosque and stuff is depicted in the designs. It's things around you that helps or that gives a direction to your artistic skills. So they put the signs within their religion, and around them, pyramids, high hills, all over that. And if you see these stripes here, we're talking about stripes now for royals.
These stripes
these
here.
Stripes here
yeah.
For royals. Okay. The typical Hausa man, whether he is rich, a sultan, or an emir, believes that he's very important. And they show that in their dressing. This hat was made on a mold, like a head mold, and then you weave it around it. You can still produce the same hat with stripes like this, sewn together and sewn into a hat shape. When an African man wears his hat, he wears, well, sometimes you just wear your hat for casuals or casual reasons, but the way you wear your hat also tells, just like the women, the part of the country you are from or the part of the continent you are from. The Yoruba man will want to sometimes fold it halfway. Don't worry about me folding it. This won't spoil. This is pure cotton. We fold it halfway, and it will show that he's a Yoruba man. If he was a chief, he will give you half. He will put the two sides up. And just a layman will just put it round on the head, and off he goes to his marketplace or to his stall. You know, so the way the hat is positioned also on the head also determines the status or social class of the person. So you don't just wear the hat on the head. So when you see an African man from tomorrow on the street, just look at the way they wear their hat and ask him and say, excuse me, why are you wearing your hat this way? He will have a story to tell. There's always a story to tell behind the way we dress.